In this video, I'm going to look at the reciprocals, with what I call the brothers of sine, cos, and tan. And so you may have seen them just creep into some of your homework exercises or snuck into the odd test. And so just in case you see them, they can be quite scary if you don't know what they are, but if you do, they're so chilled. And so you've got cot, cosec, and sec. And if you want to know whose brother each of them are, you just look at the third letter. So if I look at the third letter, that's C, so it stands for cos. And so sec theta is just 1 over cos. If I look at the third letter of cosec, it's S, so that goes with sine. So cosec 10, for example, would be 1 over sine 10. Lastly, cot, if I look at the third letter, it's T for tan. So cot 50, I can't punch that in my calculator, but it's just 1 over the third letter, so T, tan 50. And that's how we can calculate these reciprocals, these brothers. And so either you can think of it like 1 over the brother, or you can just do SOHCAHTOA in the opposite direction. What I mean by that is, let's look at this example here. If I've got a triangle and I say, what is cot theta? Then you just say cot, the third letter is T for tan. So it's just tan, but looked in the opposite direction. So instead of O over A, which is normally tan, it will just be A over O. So A over O. So looking at my picture, adjacent is 12 and opposite is 5. And so there's my answer. And so you either look backwards through SOHCAHTOA, or you can do reciprocals. So here's the odd worked example. What is cosec 60? I look at the third letter, it's S for sine, so it's 1 over sine 60, and that I can punch in my calculator and I get my answer. Last one, what is sec 2? It's just, third letter is C for cos, so it's just 1 over 2. And so I can shift that to get my answer. I hope that you found that helpful just as an introduction to these left field weird reciprocal brothers. If it was, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks.